Hello everybody, this is Rick Stevens from Stevens Car Services from Holland, showing you today how to easily open the connectors of a Volkswagen Group, Audi, you name it. Many cars have these connectors. You can fix it by just pick a little dental tool like this. I use this one oftenly, just with a little hook, and you just push it over here, a little light on it. It is not really sharp, so it's better. You just push it like this, and then it's open. Floop. And sometimes there is some, how do you call it, garbage between the connector here. You just push it like this. No, that's not really good footage. So, and then you have clearance to open it. I would say I hope you have something about this video, and I wish you a blessed day. Bye bye.